Hello, Lucky's Poker players. My name is Tim Harden, and I'm here to give a short tutorial video on the new website. If you notice that the URL is a test address, please do not use that address. The true address for the website is still luckyspokerclub.com. If you're watching this video, it means that this website is now live and it's no longer under that test address, so it's still luckyspokerclub.com. And I'm sure that if you're seeing this video, you've already been there, so let's get started. This pop-up here just takes you to this video that you're currently watching, so we're not gonna look at that. I'm gonna close that. There's a lot to look at in this website, as we can see, but I'm gonna let you look at most of the site on your own time, but really just concentrate on a few key features. We're going to look at the calendar and how to RSVP. We're also going to look at how to look at the current RSVPs. As an added bonus, I'm going to show you how to register yourself on this website through this icon in the upper right hand corner. The reason why you want to register yourself on this website is so that the website remembers who you are when you RSVP. You don't have to manually type that in. I do know that a lot of phones and computers will autofill that in for you as a convenience, but that really depends on what settings you have with your phone and with your computer. But if you register yourself through here, you don't have to worry about that because the website will do it for you no matter what. In addition to that, if you supply your phone number, you will also get an SMS text confirming your RSVP. And you will also get another text 3 hours before the game that you RSVP'd for, just as a friendly reminder. Those are some pretty cool features that I advise everyone to take advantage of, and it's really simple to sign up through the website. Remember that you don't have to do that. You don't have to register yourself on the website to still take advantage of the RSVP process. But if you want those conveniences and if you want the texting reminders, then you do need to register yourself. It's quick and easy, and I'll step it through that process with you right now. So if you click on that, and let's create an account. So hopefully you remember your first name, you remember your last name, and your email is required. Now I do want to put in my phone number because I do want the SMS text RSVP confirmations, and I do want the text 3 hour beforehand reminders of the games that I RSVP'd for. So I'm going to go on and put my phone number in there, and then I'm going to create the account, and it wants to verify you by checking your email. So I'm going to flip over to my email, and there's the email in my inbox. So I'm going to open it, and it says, "Hi Tim, thanks for creating an account with us. Please click the link below to activate your account and set a password." So there's the link. I'm going to click that, and it's going to take me back to the website where I'm going to put in my password that I want to use. And just like that, we're done. I do have my email showing there with my phone number. You can edit your profile right there. And also on this page, if you want, you can look at bookings. Currently, I have no RSVPs, so there are no bookings showing here. And by the way, you can reach this page if you go back to the person icon in the upper right. You have bookings there and my account. You can quickly go back to these pages that you're looking at. So now let's get to the fun part of the website. So let's get lucky and go to live games. And just as an FYI, you can always, if you're on the home page, Everything that's in the drop down box here is also on the main page here. So Live Games is there, Live Games is also here. And here we have a list of all the venues we currently have. 2 venues, and each venue has 2 nights of poker games. And let's see, tonight is Thursday night. It is May 12th. And I think I'd like to play the game at Lucky Card Club Friday nights. That means there is a game tomorrow night. It does give you the address and the prizes. So let's RSVP for that game. It'll take you to a calendar of when the events are happening. First, it's going to give you a green circle of the current date, which is the 12th. But then it also gives green empty circles for game nights. And as you can tell that we have 13th, 20th, and 27th for this month. You can go to the next month. It's every Friday night. So since I want to go to the game tomorrow night, I'm going to click on the 13th. And when I do that, it's going to tell me what time that game is. Just by chance, if we did have more than one game in the same venue the same night, then we would have some choices here of what time for which game we would like to play. But generally speaking, we only have one game per night per venue. So we're going to confirm that time, so 7:30. And then we're going to RSVP, which is the same as book. You will then get a side card here that's going to confirm what we just asked for, which is Lucky Card Club Friday night, 7:30. It shows the staff member that will be directing the game there. And because I am registered with the website, it does have my first and last name, my email, and my phone number. Again, phone number is optional. If you did not register yourself on the website, you're still going to get this. You can still RSVP, but these blanks might be empty. Or if you've done this more than once without being registered, maybe your phone or your computer will remember and autofill this. It's really up to what the settings are on your phone and your computer. But like I mentioned, since I am registered with the website, it definitely will put in that information for me. Now, before I confirm this RSVP, I'd like to point out there is a shopping cart up here with the number 1. What that indicates is that I have this RSVP in my shopping cart. If I, for some reason, change my mind and I say, well, something came up, I don't want to book this, I'm going to retract it, I'd like to throw it away, you hit that garbage can. And it now says the cart is empty. You'll notice that the cart is back to 0. So let's go back through the process because I do actually want to go to tomorrow night's game at 7:30. And we'll hit book for the RSVP. All the information is correct as last time. So let's confirm the RSVP. And it says thank you. And that sound was my phone. I just got a confirmation text that I mentioned earlier would happen. Hi Tim, you're scheduled for Lucky Card Club Friday night, 7:30 p.m. on Friday, May 13th, 2022, 7:30 p.m. All right, so that kind of confirms that. You also have the added option of adding the RSVP to your calendars. You can add it to the Google Calendar or to your Outlook calendar, and then you can close your cart. The other feature that we're going to look at, the final one we will look at for this video, is going to be to look at current RSVPs. So let's look at current RSVPs. I did do a test earlier, the same venue, so that's why I'm showing up twice, but it does show me there. That's actually the booking that I just now did, and it's showing the total guests. As more people RSVP for different venues and different nights, they will be listed here. And then when that game has passed, it'll be dropped from this list. It's also convenient about going to this page is you can leave this page open on your phone or on your computer, and it'll refresh every 30 seconds by itself. This is especially handy for tournament directors who are kind of closely watching it to try to get an idea of how many people are RSVPing so that they know about how many people to prepare for. As this page refreshes, I'm sure that players and tournament directors will slowly start seeing people trickle in and the names trickle in here on this list. But that really sums it up. Like I mentioned, the rest of the website has some really good stuff to go through on your own time. I will point out, please visit the sponsors page and support our sponsors that help Lucky's Poker survive to this day. And we will leave it at that. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you at the poker table.